Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can book a free night with IHG using a free night certificate. You ready? Let's go. So first off, you need to head to ihg.com. So click on that. And if you haven't created an account, you can do so by clicking here, by clicking join. But since I already have an account, I'm going to use my account. Actually, I'm going to use my mom's account because she has a free night. I just used 2 of my free nights. So how do you get a free night certificate? So currently, IHG has 2 credit cards that will let you have a free night after the account anniversary. So these 2 cards, they are the IHG One Premier card and the IHG One Premier Business card. So if you have one of those 2, you will get a free night each year after your account anniversary. So with that said, so where do you see your free night? So if you click on your account here, your name, and if you scroll down, so overview, at the very bottom, you will see your free night certificate. So let's try to book a free night. Some quick tip, you can use your free night to book up to 40,000 points. But before I use this certificate, let me open up another window. Let me show you an example. So let's say you want to go to Bangkok, Thailand. That's my husky. I think they're gonna go for a walk. So I don't know if you guys heard him. He was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, so let's just pick a random date. So now here it's showing in USD, in US dollars. So you wanna see how much this costs in points. So to do so, you need to click on this, pay with, change it to points. So it'll tell you how much it will cost per night. So this one is 13,000 points, 15,000 points, 25,000, 21,000, 34,000. When you guys use your free night, I would recommend booking the most expensive hotel that you can with points, right? So for example, this is 34,000, and if we switch back from points to money, so this one is $81, right? And the one that we're looking at earlier, the Intercontinental Bangkok, it's $181. So when you hold one of the credit cards that I mentioned earlier, the IHG One Premier card, it's the personal card, and the business card version, you will pay at least $99 for the annual fee. So if you ask me, if I want to maximize my annual free night, I will book a hotel that's much more expensive than $95 because that's the annual fee you need to go above. So this one is $181. So this is not too bad. You can still keep looking on other hotels that will be I think more than $200 or around $300 because I've seen that happen. So let's do another one. Let's do Singapore. Because Singapore, the hotels over there, they're nice and also they're expensive. So for example, this one, Intercontinental, it's $256 per night. So Intercontinental hotels, they're one of the higher end ones. So if we scroll down, Hotel Indigo, so Crown Plaza Changi Airport. So this is one of our favorite hotels in Singapore because number one, it's inside the airport. So if you just wanna, I don't know if you guys have been to Singapore Changi Airport. It's a really big airport and you can just easily stay there for the whole day. They have activities, they have food, they have cinemas. It's insane. So now going back, we need to see how much it will cost per night using points. So this one, it's 50,000 points. So obviously you cannot book it because it's more than 40,000 points. But I've booked this before when it's there's low season or low season. So just keep changing dates and see if you can find a date where you can book this for less than 40,000 points. So going down, I remember this, it's 200 something, and it's only 37,000 points. So you guys can book this, the Intercontinental Singapore Robertson Quay. I think that's how you pronounce it. Then if we scroll down again, let's look for, there you go, the Changi Airport. It's more than $200. I can't remember, and you can book this for it's only 39,000 points. So let's just say we want to book this, the Crown Plaza Changi Airport. So we need to go back to the other window. You need to go look for your free night and click on it, book free night. So let me just close this. So let's go Singapore. Figure out how many guests per room, and let's just pick a random date. If you look at this, this is saying it's free. All of these hotels are less than 40,000 points. So you can choose, whatever you want again. But like earlier, what I was saying is look for the best hotels that you could book. Okay, so for example, remember the Intercontinental Singapore? It says 50,000 points. So you can still use your free night, but you just need to add 10,000 points on top of the reservation. So it's still doable. What about so Robertson Key is not available. Wow, look at that. It's $347. So you guys have an option. So look at all of these hotels. Number one, you need to figure out where do you want to stay on the place that you're traveling to. Maybe you want to stay at a place where there's a lot of restaurants or activities, So it really depends on you. So yeah, that's my quick tip. Here, let me just do a different date, like a farther date, and see if I can get a better deal. Oh, so now you need to, so it's not saying free, so you need to go back and click on the free night again, because I think if you go back you will need to do it again. So to click the book free night icon, this one, so book free night. Well, that's a pain in the ass. You need to do it again, or do it all over again. Okay, let's just pick a different date. Or I think you can also, as a shortcut, you can go under here, rate preference, and hit anniversary free night flex, and that will trigger the free night award. Or not. Here, let's try it. Let me log out. So it looks like there's something going on. So I'm going to do it again, guys. All right. I think they have some technical issues. Click your name, scroll down. You will see the free night. Book a free night. Book a free night. Click that. Then enter your destination, how many guests, and pick a date. Oh, and okay, by the way, if you have a couple of free nights, you need to book it per day. So let's just say you have two, you need to do two different reservations. You need to use your first free night at a certain date, and if you want to use the second free night, you need to search it again and use the free night to book the second date. All right, so it says here Intercontinental Robertson Key, it's not available, so you just need to click on view available dates. So for this one, Intercontinental, you can use your anniversary night, but you need to pay 25,000 points, which is, it's too much. Let's go look for a different day, guys. So over here, you're just playing around with dates and see which one you can book with, with a free night. So if you want to book this again, you need to go back to your account, scroll down, and click the book free night. But going back, this one is 50,000 points. I'm seeing this one for less than 40,000 points, and you can book this, the Intercontinental Robertson Key. But for Intercontinental Singapore, you may need to add 10,000 more points. So yeah, so let's see how much will that cost again. The Intercontinental Singapore Key, this one, see, it's $226 per night. So, and this one is $256. Oh, that's weird. All right, so that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you how to use your free night, and also when and where to use it, so you're getting the maximum value out of your free nights certificates. Again, if you haven't, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.